Every now and again, I get a client that does a project that is absolutely so exciting that I want to document it. And this time around, we're going to document that process. This home that you're seeing behind us is an awesome home in South East Oakville. It's on a ravine. We'll obviously show you some of that footage. And my client's going to do a 6-week quick revamp. So we'll be documenting and following that whole process. So everything that's inside here is going to be swapped out for something new. It's going to be awesome. Look at this backyard. Who wouldn't want a backyard like this? All of that little river that you see there, that's my client's. We bought this house and we fell in love with that backyard. Can't get better than that in South East Oakville. Be sure to follow the progress on this house. Total revamp, total renovation on the inside. It's going to be awesome to follow what Eric and Alicia are doing to this beauty behind me. So my clients just closed yesterday on this property behind me, and guess what? Today Oakville Construction Group is already in there and they're doing a total demolition. It's already demolished behind me. That's how quickly they work, and it's going to be great. We're going to chronicle this whole process. Follow me inside, guys. You can't believe what you're going to see when you get in there. So we're here with the guys from the Oakville Construction Group, Steph, Nick and Jeremy, and they just started the demolition today on a house that closed yesterday. So it's a very quick process. Lots of planning obviously went into it. I mean, you didn't just come in here today, Steph, and say let's knock everything out the walls and go crazy. Did you do a bit of planning there, obviously?
Some architectural drawings, and then just some engineers to double check things, and then we can go to work.
Excellent, awesome. And then so a whole team of guys here today, right? So
yeah.
How many guys did you have in here?
5.
5 guys slaving away, getting some stuff done, getting it ready for like the big renovation.
Yeah.
Nice big push today. That's
nice big push today. Yeah. I actually want to ask a question about this specific bit, because everybody always wants to open it up. The first thing that people see, they watch HGTV and then the wall has to go.
Yeah.
But that, it's not, you know, it can't just go. So if we look at this, is this a load bearing wall? Can this just go? What's the plan here?
Yeah, so this is a load bearing wall. So essentially, we're gonna have to put up temporary walls. We're gonna have to get a beam, bring it from this side of the house over to that side of the house.
Okay.
We're gonna carry a load point down to the basement.
Okay.
We're gonna cut a new footing for the basement, pour a new footing. And once those temporary walls are in, that beam goes up, we can take out this interior wall here.
Okay.
Remove the temporary walls and basically patch the ceiling and the walls where needed, and there you go, you got an open concept.
Awesome. So open from kitchen to the whatever that space is going to be used for. I mean, it's just a great room then.
Yeah.
One open space. So talk to me a little bit about what the client is planning there, because I think that's going to be awesome.
So essentially they have gorgeous view outside.
Yeah.
But when you're walking down this hallway, all you see is a plain wall. So we're actually going to open this wall up and install a big, beautiful window. So every time you walk down this hall, all you see is that view.
Because you literally can't, even if the door's open,
Yeah.
you can't see anything there. And then if you have a beautiful window there, you'll be able to see straight out to the river.
It'll bring in a lot of natural light as well.
Yeah. Awesome. So what I think I see here is 2 spaces. Clearly used to be 2 bedrooms. Can you tell us a little bit more about what the client is planning here?
Yeah, so the client has 1 kid.
Okay.
They have one small kid. So they don't need 3 bedrooms. They're taking 2 of these bedrooms and they're gonna convert it into 1 big master bedroom.
Okay, that's excellent.
They got 2 big windows, enough closet space. So they'll be good.
So what we see here will be gone. This is being taken
wall
out.
completely
And this, again, my HGTV question, is not a load bearing wall.
No.
You just take it out.
Low bearing wall. Yeah. Strictly aesthetics.
Excellent.
Yeah.
So people look at HGTV and they think, I can do that.
No.
Right?
Yeah.
And so what do we have here? I mean, this, look how thick this is, and this has to be taken down just to get the tile off the wall.
Yeah.
That's crazy. That's too bad though. So unfortunately, the viewers out there, you missed out on the most awesome psychedelic 70s basement here with green carpeting and everything. So we're very sorry that the guys moved so quickly. But it's all done now. It's all taken out. Can you guys, can you tell us a little bit about what the client wants to do down here?
Yeah, like you said, they had bright green carpet, wood paneling all on the walls, very dated. So we're just going to clean it up. We're going to put a new subfloor, the same vinyl plank that's going upstairs. We're going to put that down here. Drywall everything, new pot lights. We got to update some of the electrical, as you can see. Over here, we're going to put a new bathroom with a shared laundry. We're going to take out this bar and basically open up and brighten up the place. Trying to clean it up for them.
What is the client going to do with this specific space?
So this space is actually going to be a full bathroom here with a laundry room as well. Okay. Totally open concept within the two. We're going to have laundry here, countertop, cabinets up top, big stand-up shower right here. Okay. And we're actually going to put a vanity here in front of the window. So that's something that we have to figure out.
Awesome.
Because you're going to want a mirror.
Okay.
In front of the vanity as well, right?
That's it. That's it. So that's what you do. You look for solutions as you go along. Right. That's the same with every project. You have to be really open-minded, I suppose, and especially with a project like this, where I suppose now that you've got the permits in place and everything, there's not that much flexibility. But I suppose as you go along, you have to just find solutions.
Yeah, things like that.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a good example. Behind me, the guys are working on the wall that needs to come down. Now they've created a new wall to support the ceiling until such time as they can get the beam in. I'm going to show you what goes into putting a beam in, what the beam looks like, and what they have to do in the basement to support this beam that goes in. So Nick, tell us more about this wall that you're putting in here. This wasn't here. You put this in because?
So this wall is going to carry the weight of the joist while we take out this beam here.
Okay.
And then we'll put our beam in, and once the beam is in and inspected, then we can take this out because that beam will take the weight of all of them.
Okay, so that's the original beam here.
Well, it's the joist.
That's the joist, yeah.
Yeah, it goes from there, from that side.
It's the education, right? So the beam there is actually made out of 3 parts, and it's screwed together with these lovely huge screws. And the guys from Oakville Construction Group have already put it together. So you'll see the screws in there, all lined up. So now you've got a big beam, and now when they put the beam in, you're done. New structural support. So behind us, Jeremy, is the new post, and as I said upstairs, you can't just blow out like HGTV style. This must go, that must go. There's practical implications. So tell us a little bit more about what you did here.
Yeah, so when you take out load-bearing walls, you have to find a place to continue the load down to the basement. And in this case, we had to actually build a new footing.
Okay.
So we had to cut through the basement floor that's not very thick, right?
Okay.
We had to dig down 8 inches, install rebar, and build a footing, essentially, in the concrete.
Okay.
And then once that concrete is cured, then we could construct our post off of that.
Okay, excellent. So, so now this goes up to where the beam will go on top of that. That beam goes above the ceiling height.
Another post on top of that, the beam sits on the post.
And then we've got a blown out wall.
Open concept, there you go.
There we go. From what I remember, this is the combination bathroom and washer, dryer, laundry on that side. How are things going here?
Pretty good. So we've got the general framing. So we're gonna have a bathtub here, toilet over there, double vanity here, and essentially over here is gonna be the laundry section. So we're gonna have to break open the floor. We're gonna move the drain over here so it's not in the way.
Okay.
We're gonna have to run the plumbing, drains for the tub, for the toilet, the vanity, run the water lines.
And the electrical?
This is all being moved.
So it has to move because it can't be in this space.
Exactly, you can't have it in a bathroom.
It'll be a shocking experience. Like a dad joke. You have to do a dad joke. Behind me here is part of the reason why my clients bought this beautiful home. I see a lot of homes in Oakville, and I have to say this little river that runs literally through their whole property is gorgeous. I mean, who wouldn't love to sit on their porch in the evenings with a drink, enjoying this view, in the mornings have a coffee, enjoy this view with beautiful trees. It's awesome.